Well, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. What's behind me, that cladded wall, is about what we're going to convert everything to, and that's quite exciting. So I'm going to show you a bit more. Right, so essentially what's happening, I'm trying to not let this spin. What's happening is we're having some builders come in and they're going to frame all of this out and do it all properly. So let me give you a quick tour of what's going on. So at the moment, go down. Guys, I still haven't got a handle of this. Right, at the moment, this bit's my office. Now, I've just literally started chucking everything off this side. I've cleared this desk, cleared everything off the wall, just got it out of the way. So the carpenters are rebuilding this wall. Me and Cam originally put it up temporarily, so you can kind of see up there and down there how bad it is. We just put it in temporarily. It's literally held in by one screw. Just down there in the corner, and that's it. Otherwise it's freestanding with itself. So so the carpenters are coming to rebuild that. They're going to put, I'll get there. They're going to put another wall in along here with a door, and then this space is going to become the studio. It will become the office for a while, and then eventually it will be studio. So what's going to happen is this, so obviously this wall definitely needs rebuilding. Look at it, it's only 2 frame. Our little showroom area, that is coming out, the planting bit, which is kind of sad, but it's, you know, it kind of served its purpose for the exhibitions that we did. But we're gonna repurpose everything. Don't worry, nothing's going on. Being thrown away. We reuse the scaffold for displays. We use the plants everywhere. The tent, though, actually, I think will go. We'll put it in long-term storage for now, but I think it's gonna go in the bin. I think that's the one thing. I wonder where we can recycle that. Which you can see, look, goes all the way up to there. So we're gonna, so that space in here is going to expand all the way out to here, to the edge of this. It's going to be quite a big space, 3 meters by 4 meters, just over. And then we've got the gym section. So the gym section, so there's going to be, so this is going to remain the gym. And it's going to be a wall that's going to go from right to left, left to right. Door's going to go in by this window over here, and the gym will be completely closed off. And where the TV is and where the bench is going to come a lot closer to us where we're standing right now. So essentially, it's going to come right over here. Yeah, and then it's all going to be cladded with this stuff, with this cladding, which is quite cool. We've got 2 types. So we've got the bronze oak, and I can't remember what the other one's called, but the other one is essentially that one. So the gym's going to get closed with that, and the rest of it's going to be bronze oak, and there'll be some sort of blending between the two at some point, which I guess will kind of help differentiate between the areas. Kitchen, etc., will remain kind of as it is at the moment. I'm looking forward to having this bit of change though, because I feel like it's going to be so much better for bringing in customers and having visits and whatnot, because at the moment it's horrible. I mean, look, you come through here and it's just like, wow, okay, not very nice at all. And then we have got a beautiful Chesterfield sofa, British made, on order, but we won't get that until about Christmas time, and that is measured to fit perfectly between there and the wall to the right. But that will kind of really finish that bit, and I think eventually we're going to have to do something with the floor, because, well, I replaced a few floor tiles, didn't quite get the right colour, but that's kind of what we've got, really. There's not really a lot you can do about it for the minute, but I mean, maybe I can get some better floor tiles. I'm not really sure. I'll have a look about. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this millboard either. Somehow we need to repurpose that millboard there. It'd be really great if we can actually use it again in display. I mean, we've talked about using bits of millboard in that area, in the other area of shelves. But yeah, I've got to dismantle this today. Take it all down and get it all out of the way, because obviously the carpenters, they're coming in over the weekend. Let me see if I can flip this. How do we... there is a way, somehow. No, that's locked the gimbal. I don't know if this is going to be in focus. I'll try, we'll see. So essentially what we're doing is we need to clear all this space because the carpenters are coming in over the weekend. So they need, obviously, all the free space to work with. And I completely understand this kind of point of view. I used to be an electrician, used to do rewires, and they'd say, yeah, we're going to clear all the space for you. It'll be nice and clear and it'll be really easy. And did they? Did they? So yeah, I want to make sure that it is absolutely completely clear. So yeah, so I've got to let's bring it around. So we've got loads to kind of try and move. I mean, we're not going to be able to clear the floor, but we'll definitely be able to make sure that we give them the space that they need to do what they need to do. So my first task today is to remove the tent. And then once I've removed the whole tent and all that planting, showroom bits and pieces, I can start moving some of this stuff more in the middle of the room away from where any of the wall frames are, etc. And that's essentially it. So I might do a little time lapse of me taking down the tent bits and pieces. So next time I show you all this, it will be when all this is done, I suppose. So yeah, just stay tuned for that and we'll see you guys later.